Mounting a 4" by 4" switch box directly onto the exterior of a panel board is typically prohibited due to several critical factors. Firstly, panel boards are designed to provide a secure and enclosed environment for electrical components, protecting them from environmental factors such as moisture, dust, and physical damage. Attaching an external switch box compromises this enclosure, potentially exposing the panel board's internal components to these hazards. Secondly, such a modification can violate the panel board's listing and labeling, which are essential for ensuring compliance with safety standards and electrical codes like those established by the National Electrical Code, or NEC. Altering the panel board's original design can void its warranty and create potential liability issues. Thirdly, the NEC outlines specific requirements for working clearances around electrical equipment, as detailed in Article 110.26. These clearances ensure that electricians have adequate space to safely install, maintain, and repair the equipment. Mounting a switch box on the side of the panel board can obstruct these clearances, making it difficult and potentially dangerous to work on the panel board. Fourthly, the physical integrity of the panel board could be compromised. Drilling or attaching hardware to the panel board's enclosure may weaken its structure, reducing its ability to withstand physical stress and potential short-circuit events. Fifthly, proper grounding and bonding are crucial for electrical safety, as described in NEC Article 250. Mounting a switch box directly to the panel board could interfere with the grounding and bonding pathways, increasing the risk of electrical shock. Sixthly, the NEC specifies requirements for the protection of conductors, found in Article 300. The panel board's enclosure is designed to provide this protection. Attaching an external switch box might create the points where conductors are exposed to mechanical damage or environmental factors, violating these requirements. Seventhly, the panel board's design is intended to manage heat dissipation effectively. Adding an external switch box could impede this process, potentially causing the panel board to overheat and leading to equipment failure or even fire. Eighthly, electrical codes require that all electrical equipment be installed in a neat and workmanlike manner, as stated in NEC Article 110.12. A haphazardly mounted switch box can appear unprofessional and may raise concerns during electrical inspections. Ninthly, panel boards often have specific labeling requirements, including voltage ratings, current ratings, and short-circuit current ratings. Attaching an external switch box could obscure or interfere with these labels, making it difficult for electricians and inspectors to verify the panel board specifications. Tenthly, the NEC contains numerous tables, such as Table 310.16, which provide guidance on conductor ampacity. Modifying the panel board could affect the ampacity of the conductors within it, potentially leading to overheating and other safety issues. In general, any modifications to a panel board should be performed by qualified personnel and in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and applicable electrical codes. If a switch box is needed near a panel board, it should be mounted separately on a nearby wall or structure, ensuring that it does not compromise the panel board's safety, integrity, or accessibility. The proper installation of electrical equipment requires careful planning and adherence to established standards. A qualified electrician can assess the specific needs of the installation and determine the best way to mount a switch box in compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. Doing so ensures a safe and reliable electrical system.